Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stage channel in Discord. So first of all, come here on discord.com and then log in into your account. Now over here in the left hand side, you are going to see a bunch of different servers that either you have created or you have joined. So you just have to simply select that particular server where you want to create a stage channel. Now over here, when you are inside your server, you just have to simply click on the option of create channel right next to that particular category where you want to basically add the stage option. Now, if you are not seeing this type of stage option for the very first time when you are creating your server, it means that you need to enable the community server option first. For that, simply click on this particular name of your server, then click on the option of server settings. Now inside the server settings, when you scroll down a bit, you will find the option of enable community. So simply click on that, click on the option of get started, and after that you just have to follow further simple instructions in order to enable that particular option. So when it is enabled successfully, again you need to simply click on the option of the plus icon, and now you are going to see the option of stage. So among the given channel types, simply select stage as one of the types, and over here you just have to simply give the channel a name. So let's say I'm going to give it as live event, and then click on the option of next in the bottom right hand corner. Now you need to also define the stage moderator, so you can just simply search for the stage moderator, or if you want to skip it, you can also go ahead and click on the option of the skip option, and this way the stage option is going to be launched in front of you. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.